This spirited man wonders what he's gotten himself into. Could have bought a brand new Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV for what he paid for this rig.
Come on, focus, you piece of shit.
But then again, fuck Sony. The reason for this build, for building this $2,500 GoPro, is not a reason at all. It's irrational. It's emotional. This spirited man wants a camera he can like again, maybe even love. A camera that gives him a good feeling, so he thinks.
I hate you. I'm not smart enough for you guys. You're fine, but your lenses are too big, and you're too big, and you're too heavy. I love you. You've always been good to me. But your image is just too cloudy for these times. I love you guys. I'll stick by you. But sometimes your lenses are just too wide. You see a lot of worthy things when you're driving, and with the ultra slow-mo mode on this GoPro, you can capture them, but they're just too wide. The lens is just too wide. So in Mexico, I got the idea for a longer lens for the GoPro. And then I went down a rabbit hole. I finished this thing and I'm thinking, did I just make a lower resolution, more fragile Canon 1DX like this one? This lens is so long. It's beautiful to the touch and the image is really beautiful, but there's no way I'm holding it steady enough out of a car window, and I'm not gonna be able to get focused and pick the right spot while I'm driving a car. I also ordered a macro lens, hoping I could do very close-up shots. But then I fell in love with it. But then I fell in love with this camera and sank more money into it and bought this lens, which is super wide. Okay, so this is my original intention for this camera, is to shoot super slow-mo from the car and have it be a closer lens.
This spirited man wonders if he's more in love with the object than he is with its purpose, and he wonders if that's okay. Is this folly? Is it obscene to spend this kind of money so inefficiently? Is it arrogant? Is this camera project a byproduct of irrational thoughts and illogical judgments? Well, according to Uncle Sol, he remembered, yes, it is okay. According to Uncle Sol, irrational thoughts should be followed absolutely and logically. According to Uncle Sol, illogical judgments lead to new experience.
On this week's Patreon-only video,
I love film photography, even though I'm no good at it. Or maybe because I'm no good at it. Film photography is one of my hobbies, and hobbies are for fun.